Deadwood is one of the most dramatic features in bonsai, but it can secretly decay and destroy your bonsai if you make these mistakes. Today, I will show you the 3 deadly mistakes that ruin deadwood and the right way to protect it so it lasts for decades. Let's start with mistake number 1, placement. Deadwood placed in damp, shaded corners without much airflow is far more likely to rot. Dust and moss builds up, which trap moisture. Think of a piece of wood left in the rainforest versus one left in the desert. The rainforest wood will likely to rot quickly, while the desert would last much longer. So, always give your bonsai good sun and airflow. Keep turning the pot regularly in different angles so that all parts of deadwood get the sunlight. This practice is also good for keeping your trees healthy. But even if your bonsai gets the perfect sun and airflow, there's another silent trap: neglect. Mistake number 2, thinking deadwood is maintenance free. One of the biggest mistakes is neglect. Rain, insects, and time will all continue to work against it. When I look at this deadwood, I can tell it hasn't been cared for in a while. The deadwood has collected dust and moss is taking over like here. So, make preservation a routine. Use a gentle brush, dip it in water, and polish along the vein. Since decay may have made the deadwood fragile, adjust the pressure carefully. Clean especially where debris collect between the living vein and deadwood. If a soft brush isn't enough, use a stiffer brush. If you find decayed parts, remove all of them completely. If you don't, the rot will continue to spread. Do this routine at least once a year. This seasonal care extends the life of deadwood dramatically. So, you've cleaned the deadwood, but here's the next pitfall. Mistake number 3, relying only on weak treatments. Even if you do maintenance regularly, your choice of preservatives may not be effective enough. Besides the traditional lime sulfur, there are natural methods like tea or oak bark solution and pine resin mixes. These are effective to some extent but not as strong and short-lived. Other big drawback with natural solution is that they often stain the deadwood brown. And even after the protective effects fade, the color can remain. So, if you want to enjoy the contrast of color between white deadwood and the living tissue, these treatments are not an option. And using epoxy-based sealant or super glue for deadwood protection. These can last a very long time for sure. But here's the thing. While they may be super effective, they also stop deadwood from showing its natural aging process. I know it's a contradiction, but the art of bonsai lies partly in embracing the imperfection, fading deadwood. So, at this point, the traditional lime sulfur is the safest bet for bonsai deadwood protection. Here's how to use lime sulfur the right way, because if done wrong, it looks unnatural and can even damage your tree. Before application, remove wires if any. Lime sulfur is strongly alkaline, so it corrodes metal. First, dilute lime sulfur 2 to 3 times with water. Undiluted solution will turn deadwood too white. Use a synthetic brush, wipe off the excess first, and start by applying it along the edge where deadwood meets living tissue. Avoid dripping the solution on the soil because it may damage your tree. It looks yellowish now, but it turns white when dry. When you create deadwood, wait a couple of months before applying lime sulfur. If you apply too soon, the solution may seep into living tissue and damage branches. Finally, always let the solution dry before watering. Reapply once a year to keep the deadwood well preserved. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.